Plant FAQs. Carolina Midnight Loropetalum. Carolina Midnight Loropetalum, an FAQ for gardeners. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the striking Carolina Midnight Loropetalum. This beauty offers a dramatic punch of color and thrives in many regions. If you're considering adding this stunner to your garden, here are some frequently asked questions to help you. The Carolina Midnight Loropetalum, Loropetalum chinense F. rubrum Carolina Midnight, is a captivating shrub prized for its deep, burgundy-purple foliage. It's a cultivar of the Chinese fringe flower, Loropetalum chinense, known for its vibrant blooms. The Carolina Midnight, however, boasts near-black leaves that steal the show throughout the season. What are the benefits of planting a Carolina Midnight Loropetalum? There are several reasons to consider this gem for your landscape. Thriving in partial shade. Unlike many flowering shrubs that demand full sun, the Carolina Midnight tolerates partial shade, making it ideal for dappled sunlight areas or under taller trees. Low maintenance. This low-fuss shrub requires minimal care once established. Regular watering, especially during its first growing season, and occasional pruning are all it needs to flourish. Year-round interest. While the star of the show is undoubtedly its foliage, the Carolina Midnight does produce small, white flowers in spring that add a delicate touch. Plus, the vibrant leaves retain their color year-round in warmer climates, offering winter interest. Drought tolerance. Once established, the Carolina Midnight demonstrates good drought tolerance. This makes it a suitable choice for regions with occasional dry spells or for gardeners who prefer low-maintenance landscapes. Versatile performer. This adaptable shrub can thrive in various soil types as long as they're well-drained. It can be planted as a standalone specimen, used to create hedges, or incorporated into borders. How does the Carolina Midnight Loropetalum compare to other purple foliage plants? Gardeners often compare the Carolina Midnight to other popular purple plants like the smokebush, Cotinus cagigria. Here's a quick breakdown. Color. The Carolina Midnight offers a richer, darker purple that leans towards black, while the smokebush foliage can range from lighter purples to reddish hues. Bloom time. The Carolina Midnight produces small, white flowers in spring, while the smokebush is known for its feathery, pink flower plumes that appear in late spring or early summer. Sun requirements. The Carolina Midnight tolerates partial shade, whereas the smokebush prefers full sun. Maintenance. Both plants are relatively low maintenance. However, the smokebush may require more pruning to maintain its desired shape. What are some things to consider before planting a Carolina Midnight Loropetalum? While the Carolina Midnight is a fantastic addition to many gardens, here are a few points to ponder. Size. This shrub can grow up to 8 to 10 feet tall and wide at maturity. Ensure you have adequate space to accommodate its growth. Soil drainage. Although adaptable, the Carolina Midnight won't tolerate soggy soil. Ensure your planting site has good drainage. Winter hardiness. While evergreen in warmer climates, the Carolina Midnight may lose some leaves in colder regions. USDA zones 7 to 9. How do I care for a Carolina Midnight Loropetalum? Here's a quick guide to keeping your Carolina Midnight happy and thriving. Planting. Choose a well-drained location with partial to full sun. Dig a hole twice the width of the root ball and amend the soil with compost if needed. Water deeply after planting and regularly during the first growing season. Watering. Once established, the Carolina Midnight is fairly drought tolerant. However, water deeply during extended dry periods, especially in hotter climates. Pruning. Prune lightly after flowering or in late winter to maintain desired size and shape. Remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches. Fertilizing. Fertilize sparingly in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can encourage excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. With its stunning dark foliage and low maintenance needs, the Carolina Midnight Loropetalum is a captivating addition to many gardens. By considering the factors mentioned above and providing proper care, you can enjoy this vibrant shrub for years to come.